Hi lovers, good afternoon everyone. How are you all doing? How are you doing? Okay, give it a moment. Let us tell one on the can I have you put telling. So just coming back from the market and look what I got. So let's do this. Do you think it's expensive for 6 5 3 4 5? Very manga. One. Here is one. Here is two. Here is three. 4 5. See, so this one is 6,500 in Nigeria. Depends your location sha. So here in north, this is how we bought it. 6,500 for 6 pieces. You understand? So here, when you come here where they used to sell it, they put it by five each, 5 each. You understand? So as you can see, this one is big. This is big size, and the ones we bought last week is about 4 5, and those ones is small size. You see? So this one is heavy. So what do you think? Tell us in the comment section. Do you think this is cheap, or you think it's expensive? Okay? Yeah. They actually chisani me. One loaf guy use. Chiri. Chiri. Okay. So I'm going to be peeling this one. This one. But first of all, before I peel this, let me peel this one for me. So our daddy bought honor. He's going to be eating honor. I don't know why I like this thing so much. I like this honor so much. So you eat this one. This thing is for 500. This thing 500. Where did I get this one? I think this one is the only thing I know that is expensive. Otara mmanụ bute ihe here. So this is my duty as a housewife. So putting this one is honor. So so be using oil to eat it. I'm gonna eat too much. Let me find. Come. See me here now. You want money? You want money? I'm cutting the yellow. Let me put this one. First, the children is back from school and I feel like we eat. I feel like we eat. So let me quickly do this one. First. So I'll finish washing the yam. Look how the thing is white. Yeah, I think it is white yam. I don't know. Check. What do you think? Is this white yam or this colored yam? I like adding yam if I'm cooking white yam like this. I like adding salt on it. So over, allow it to cook for some minutes, okay? You far. Well, food is ready.